Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on getting started with Canva. First of all, open your preferred internet browser. For this demonstration, I'll be using Chrome. Search for Canva or visit canva.com. From the home page, click the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, then there are a number of instant registration methods to choose from. Or you can fill in your details on the registration form and wait for your confirmation email. I've already signed into my Google account, so I'm going to use that method. Once you've completed your registration, you'll be free to start creating. Let's create a drag and drop activity. First, we'll click on Create a Design, then Whiteboard. Let's give the file a name, label the rooms. Now, let's add an image by clicking on Uploads, then Upload Files. I already have an image saved. Now we can drag and drop the image onto the board and resize it to fit the screen. And add a text box with the instructions, reformatting so that it fits. Now I'm going to select, group and lock these elements together so that they don't get accidentally moved or deleted by the students. Now we can create the draggable elements. For this, I'm going to use a rounded rectangle. Add the name of the room and resize the box. Now we can right-click and duplicate the box for each of the 6 rooms. Before we use or share the file, click Home, then Your Projects. Select the Extended menu on your new project and make a copy. This way you can keep a copy of the original file in a ready-to-use state. We are now ready to use the activity. You can also share the file with your students by clicking on the Share button, select anyone with the link, and Can Edit. Then copy the link. And that's it. Enjoy creating and using Canva.